Hey, Matt from ViewfinderMastery here. I hope you're doing well, and I hope that you've had a chance to get out there to do some colorful autumn photography this year. Our members have been working on a fun autumn harvest challenge that put a new twist on things by encouraging them to pursue a human angle in their autumn shots. So rather than shooting scenes where foliage was the main subject, this year they made harvest activities the star of the show. And their submissions led to a really interesting feedback conversation as we reviewed their shots. Here's a few excerpts from that conversation that Jesse and I recently had.
I really like this shot because it sort of gives you a little peek into the harvest that's happening.
This is cool, just embracing that, engage your curiosity and engage with other people. And I just love how the color and the texture of these pumpkins kind of grabs your eye. And it's certainly a fitting harvest subject for this time of year, for the autumn season. So well done, really nice shots.
So congratulations to our members who participated in the October Photography Challenge. We can't wait to see where November's challenge, Window Light Portrait, takes you. Wait, what? You're not a member yet? Head over to ViewfinderMastery.com and become a member to start leveling up your photography skills today. We deliver fun, new, high-quality lessons every month, and we give you the constructive feedback and the support that you need to take your photography further. So don't miss out. Become a member today, and we look forward to seeing you inside.